In today's video, I'm taking this old Dell Optiplex and turning it into a Chromebox using Google's ChromeOS Flex. So about a week ago, I posted a video where I picked up two Office PCs from Facebook Marketplace for just 30 bucks each. One was an HP Pro Desk, which had an i5 7500, and the other was this Dell Optiplex, which has an i5 6500. Now, both systems came with RAM, but neither had a hard drive. On the HP, I threw in a cheap low profile GPU, threw in an SSD as well, and some extra RAM. I installed Windows 11, tested it out, and honestly, it ran pretty good. For the Optiplex, I originally planned on installing Linux, but then I thought, why not try Chrome OS Flex? It's basically the Chrome OS experience without the Google Play Store, and it should turn this Optiplex into a Chromebox, just slightly bigger one. Repurposing this Dell is a great option for anyone who just needs a simple machine for web browsing, email, and YouTube video watching. I've never used Chrome OS Flex before, so this will be a first time for me. Here's a look at the inside of the Optiplex. Like I said, it didn't come with a hard drive. It does have RAM installed. Under the hard drive cage there is one single stick of RAM. It's an 8 gig stick. That should be fine. I usually like to use dual channel RAM at least, but for FlexOS, the single stick of RAM should be fine. So I installed an SSD, as you can see. So now we're ready for the next step, and that is creating a bootable USB drive. So here I am on my trusty ThinkPad here, and I'm going to search for Google Flex here, and then I'm going to search for, there it is, going to click here. Chrome OS, upgrade your PCs and Macs to Chrome OS Flex. Getting started. Don't think I need to fill this out. All right, for home use, I'm just going to click here. And here I'm just going to follow the instructions to create the USB installer. Now what I want to do is install the extension for the Chromebook recovery utility. All right, and over here I'm going to hit Add to Chrome, this blue button right here. Going to hit Add Extension. Continue. And now under my extensions, it should be there. There it is. Going to click it on. Hit Get Started here on the bottom right. And here where it says identify your Chromebook, you're just going to look for the Google Chrome OS Flex option. And then here, OS Flex option again. You want to hit continue. Then you're going to select the USB flash drive that you have. I have one in here already. It's 32 gigs. Just going to hit continue. And then we're going to hit create now, and then just give it a few minutes to do its thing. All right, we are all done. Now it's time to plug this USB drive into the Optiplex. So to boot from the USB drive, I have to hit F12 to get into the boot menu. And then I'm going to select the USB drive, which is the SanDisk here. I'm just going to hit enter. And now I'm just going to wait. And I'm just going to let it sit here. I'm going to show you guys in real time, how long it takes to get into FlexOS. And there it is. Well, at least it started. Give it a few more moments here. All right, there we go. Welcome to Chrome OS Flex. Let's get this started. And I'm going to try it first. So I'm just going to, test it out from the USB drive before installing it on my SSD. And here's where I ran into an issue with Flex OS. It couldn't detect my Wi-Fi adapter at all. I tried rebooting it a few times, but no luck. Apparently, this is an issue with some PCs where Flex OS wouldn't detect the Wi-Fi at all. So I'm going to have to hardwire this in for an internet connection with my Ethernet cable. And after I plugged that in, I was good to go. So I'm just going to speed this up a little bit. All right, so here I am. I am logged in as a guest right now. So I just want to do this to test it out, make sure everything's working well, make sure I can browse the web basically, and make sure everything looks good. So I'm just going to go to Google right here, and I'm just going to, browse a couple of web pages. Let's see how quick this is. So let me see how the New York Knicks are doing. That came up pretty quick, pretty snappy here. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and change the wallpaper. This is kind of dark. Let's make it something a little bit more lighter. And no issues with YouTube video playback. So what I'm going to do now is install this permanently on my SSD. So on the bottom right here, I'm just going to click right here and hit exit guest. And then on the bottom where it says install Chrome OS Flex, I'm going to click there and hit install Chrome OS Flex here. Going to hit install. And this might take a few minutes, but once it gets going, you're just going to follow the prompts here. And it is going to ask you to sign into use your Gmail account. I'm just going to skip that part there. Terms and control your data. I always uncheck this stuff and just hit continue. Going to uncheck that. Now it's going to ask me for a password for the for Flex itself to log in. So separate from my Gmail. So I'm going to go ahead and create one right now. Now we are all set, and this Optiplex is now a Chromebox. It can be used just like a Chromebook or a Chromebox. I think setting this up is a great use case for someone that really just wants to browse the web. And you can still create documents and spreadsheets with Google Docs and Google Sheets. And installing this on an old laptop is a good idea too, in my opinion. If you've used Google Flex OS before, let me know in the comments. Do you like it? Do you still use it? Let me know. But that's going to do it for this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button. I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching.